The dashboard homepage will appear once you have logged into Explorer Online. Here is the main navigation menu. Next to the main menu is the user menu, which allows you to access user settings, change your password, and log out. You can use the dashboard homepage and the main menu to find quick reference links, such as documentation for printable training guides and a dashboard tour for a refresher on page navigation. There are also links for contacting support and providing feedback. Use the Tools tab to look up providers in the Medical Objects directory, and use the Reports tab to track the delivery of results using the Activity Report. The dashboard homepage also displays recently loaded patients. Here you can click the patient name to load their file. This will add the patient to the loaded folder in the sidebar. To return home, click the Dashboard tab, where you can also clear the current list, do a lookup, or register a patient. These patient management features can also be accessed from the Patients tab. For more information on patient management, see Part 2. Another navigation feature of the Explorer Online dashboard is the sidebar, which contains incoming and sent documents that are listed by each selected patient. The Unreviewed folder contains incoming documents that are new. Selecting documents from this folder will give you the option to Mark as Reviewed. This will send a permanent acknowledgement to the sender that the result has been read and reviewed. If you wish to keep a document for further review, select the Park option. This will move the document to the Further Review folder. Documents in this folder can only be accessed by the provider who made the original Park request. To remove it from this folder, click the Unpark option. The Request Chart option will add a document to the Requested Charts folder. Any user in your practice's Explorer Online software who has the granted permissions to view results can then access documents in this folder. Practices can decide how to use the Request Chart feature in their own workflows. For example, doctors can use this option as a request for staff to gather medical charts after receiving a message on a patient. Upon completion of the workflow relating to a document, staff can then select Cancel Chart to remove it from the Requested Charts folder. There are also options to print and forward a document to another provider. When forwarding a document, click the magnifying glass to do a provider lookup. To reply to a document, click the Create Response option. Then choose the document title, clinical area, and who the document is from. Next, choose the addressee by clicking the Find button and typing the surname first. Then hit Enter on the keyboard and click the chosen provider. Furthermore, if you would like to create a draft that is marked for approval before sending, tick the For Approval Before Delivery checkbox, which will move it to the Unreleased folder. The Unreleased folder contains draft documents yet to be sent. Documents in this folder can either be sent by clicking the Release button or deleted. The Created folder contains a recent list of documents that you have created. This includes both progress notes and documents that you have sent. The Documents section of the sidebar shows all the documents that the selected patient has. Here, you can change how the documents are grouped. To view documents in a grid, simply click on the grid icon in the sidebar from either the Documents section or when hovering over each patient's folder. You can filter the documents in the grid with the Add Filter button, as well as hide, show, or reset columns via the grid menu. To enable bulk actions, tick the documents you wish to select. Currently, the available bulk actions are printing, forwarding, and exporting to CSV for transaction details. Finally, click the Documents tab to send, manage and create documents. For more information on sending documents, see Part 3. And for further inquiries, please contact Medical Objects.